You want some great posts that actually improve engagement and lead to profits? Well, cool, because that's what I have for you today. This is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com, and today I'm going to share with you some great posts from several different industries that are engineered to specifically create engagement and lead to more sales so that you can start creating them for your business. So stick around. One super duper important key element to making sales on social media is to get engagement from your audience. The more engagement you receive on your post, the more people Facebook will show your post to, expanding your reach and getting your message in front of more people, allowing you to make more sales. That is why creating engagement is so important to your business and why we are continuing our series on Facebook engagement tips for business. Now, in order to get great engagement, you need to create great posts. So that is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today, and we'll show you 9 great examples from different industries that you can use to inspire you and help you create your own. So before we dive into that, if you're looking to leverage the internet to get your message out, generate leads, make sales, you definitely want to hit the subscribe button, as we have great content coming out for you all the time, and along with more videos helping you increase your Facebook engagement. Now, this may sound counterintuitive, but in order to make sales on social media, 80% of the time, your posts should not be promotional. They should be value-based, either educating, inspiring, or entertaining your audience. People are much more likely to engage and to share posts that they find value in. And the more engagement you receive from the non-promotional posts, the more people Facebook will show all of your posts to, including your promotional posts. So you should follow the 80-20 rule. 80% of your posts should be pure value, while 20% should be promotional. Now, you may have heard that before, but let's dive into some specific examples so you can see this in play in different industries and get some specific content ideas for your business.
Let's start with educational. This is something that informs your audience, gives them value through informing. This keto page is awesome. They provide really, really great value. They know exactly what they're doing. Here is a recipe. It has, you can see more, click that button. They're getting people to click for more, which is engagement, and tells Facebook that they should show people their stuff just by clicking that see more button. That's it. So just how they formatted the text is smart. They're going to get engagement from that. And the image looks great, right? So they have media, which is they've got a picture, which is going to add to Facebook's algorithm and help it show people. And it's giving great value, an awesome recipe, and it's showing people exactly how to make the recipe in the pictures. They got A+ from me on this. They got 44 shares from people because this is awesome. It's a great, great post. This is another example of a great post. So the first one was a recipe and showing you how to do it. This is a video that actually shows you, it talks about different studies and the science behind losing weight and a ketogenic diet. So this isn't again, it's not a promotional video, but it's informing their audience about their industry, about their health and wellness. It's a really, really great example. It's got him talking. It also has moving video on the bottom, and it has caption in the video as well. All A+ across the board. They did really, really well on this. This is a great example from a real estate professional. So this is someone who has branded and built his business specifically for real estate. This would speak to someone who's interested in showing houses and staging houses to be shown and just make things look the best possible. This speaks to that audience. Great tip. Adding lighting behind furniture helps it stand out, make the room feel more open, and tells them how to get it too. So again, there's nothing promotional about this, but he's giving value to his specific target audience. This is a great post. This lady is in health and wellness, right? So she's definitely into the health and wellness field, and she's specifically giving some facts and information about healthcare. Again, very informative. She's using, not only does she have text in her, she's got a lot of text going on, but she's using a graph, an actual image in addition to that, which is much more powerful. Everyone will look at the picture, even if they are not interested in reading all the text in the caption. So this is a great example. This is one of our students, Lindsay. She's amazing. She's a rock star, up and coming. You should watch out for her. But this is a great example of how she is offering value to her audience. She's looking to serve people, help people learn how to make a market online. And she's doing a Facebook Live. You'll see it says she was live. She's giving value helping inform her audience, and she's doing it in a live format so she can engage with them. And that live video, guys, super powerful to boost your engagement. Facebook, it's its favorite kind of post is live video. It's going to favor it over all else, so you should definitely be using it whenever possible. Inspirational is another type of post that you can provide value to your audience with, just inspiring them. This is from our friend Ray Higdon. Sometimes the issue isn't that your problems are so big, it's that you see yourself as being so small. Great quote. Really can inspire people. His audience are entrepreneurs, people in home business, network marketing, and this can really speak to that audience and inspires them, which is awesome. Here's one that we did recently. Be so good they can't ignore you, Steve Martin. Okay, inspiring people, also giving them some additional insights in the caption of the post as well. But this is a great example of how to give value through inspiration. Entertaining. Now, this can be really fun if you really get into it, but entertaining your audience. I found some great examples here. Fashion Hub. This is a page whose audience are females, right? Definitely women. And this really speaks to their target audience. Sundays be like, and then it's a meme, of someone who, it's Elaine. I don't know the actress's name, but anybody remembers her from Seinfeld. When your 30-minute nap turns into 5 hours and you wake up like crazy tired and all messed up, right? So it speaks to their target audience, and it's funny. Makes them smirk, makes them smile, makes them laugh. That's good.
Before we get to our 9th and final example, I want to let you know about our free interactive Facebook Marketing Mastery Workshop. If you want practice and more guidance on how to create posts that sell, plus our super secret formula to create awesome posts that have people coming to you to buy, make sure to click the link at the top of the description to get access. Also, to learn all 9 of our top tips to increase your engagement on Facebook, make sure that you watch the following video. At the end of this video, guys, we're going to put it up on the screen. You can just click and watch that because we're going to go through all 9 tips for you there.
Now, our final post, guys, this is awesome Tony Robbins. You should all hopefully know, I've heard his name before. You may think oftentimes that entertaining just means funny. It doesn't necessarily mean funny. It can also just bring emotion and entertain in other ways. So this is a very emotional, powerful video that entertains, speaking about our veterans and thanking them for their service. So this is entertaining his audience and providing an uplifting message, but it's also very moving and powerful on the heartstrings as well. Whenever you can elicit emotion from your audience, guys, it's going to draw them closer to you and build that know, like, and trust factor that you need with your audience. So entertaining and using emotion whenever possible is an awesome, awesome way to do that.
Now, these 9 examples of great posts should get your wheels turning so that you can go out and create some awesome posts for your own. Now, comment and let me know which example you liked best and what would have you engaging as an audience member. This is Leah Ray, and I'll see you soon.